So these are our vegetable seedlings. These are cucumbers that we planted. These are carrots. These are peppers. And this is lettuce. So I've been growing them, watering them every day, taking them in at night because it's still a little chilly, and out in the sun. I just started taking our other tray of carrots here. Here's our carrots. Each one of these is going to be a carrot. So I'm separating them a little bit and planting them about 1.5 inches away from each other. And then I'm going to do a second row of carrots. Separating these a little bit. Be sure to moisten the ground before putting them in. Little carrots. Well, here we go. I've planted all of my little carrot seedlings. Pray for the best. Guys, I get to build a little fence around my garden now, and I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to go to the hardware store. I have the wood I need right here in my backyard. This is an old deck fence that we had on our old deck, my dad's old deck, and I am recycling this wood. It was just sitting around, and I'm going to be able to use So I found this scrap piece of wood from our old deck railing, and I used it as a little fence. Thanks for tuning in and watching my channel. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, it's right there. Costs nothing to you and helps me out.